A warm welcome to all of you, dear students and learners, to my lecture series on this YouTube channel English Mania. Feed the mind, feel the English. I'm your digital teacher, Professor Hina Kausar, and this video lecture is about questions from English Question Bank for HSC Class 12 English. And this is particularly from the lesson 4.4, the sign of 4. So these questions of 4.4 sign of 4 will be there on question number 5D. You will have 2 questions. Each question carries 2 marks, total 4 marks in your board examination. Let's see the first question. The first question is: the reception of 6 pearls helps the story to move forward by providing some connection with the other happenings. Illustrate. Answer is: the reception of 6 pearls gives a breakthrough to the story, the sign of 4. Mary Morstan, the major character in the story, has received 6 pearls from an unknown person, 1 per year. With the last pearl there was a note for meeting. She approached the detective Sherlock Holmes to get help. Sherlock Holmes and his friend Dr. Watson agreed to accompany her to the unknown person. The story moves forward to and unfolds the secret of pearls received by her. Question number 2 is: describe the desired destination of the parties in your words by providing some details. Miss Morstan, Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson were on their desired destination. They were taken to the forbidden neighborhood. The area was not inhabited. Their cab stopped at a house which was as dark as a dusk. A single glimmer appeared in the kitchen. It was a third-rate suburban dwelling house. Here they were invited to discuss about some important issue about the treasure, the Agra treasure. Question number 3 is: write the character sketch of Sherlock Holmes as a professional detective. Answer is: Sherlock Holmes is a major character in the story. He is a professional detective. In the novel The Sign of 4, Mary Morstan gives her case to Sherlock Holmes to solve. He has a business tone and extraordinary concentration dealing with his client. He is very peculiar in dealing with the case. He derives some conclusion from handwriting. He goes to the root of the case and comes with a solution. He is a kind and brilliant detective. Question number 4 is: compare the thought process of Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson in handling the case. So you have to compare the thought process of Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson. Answer is: Sherlock Holmes is of the opinion that the judgment should not be biased by personal qualities. He observes the handwriting in the note and draws conclusion that the writer is a man of self-esteem and character. For Holmes, there is no mystery in the case. To Watson, the handwriting seems legible and regular. Question number 5 is: narrate the case of Miss Morstan in your words. Answer is: Mary Morstan's father disappeared on 3rd of December 1878 from a hotel. She was about to meet him at the hotel. She complained about the missing of her father at the police station. She advertised about it. She met her father's friend Major Sholto, but he was not found. Then in 1882 she found an advertisement for her address. She responded to the advertisement and she received a pearl. Since then she received such pearls for 6 years. With the last pearl she had a letter with a message. She was wronged and should have justice. Question number 6 is: Sherlock Holmes deduced facts from the back files of the time. Justify by providing few details. Answer is: Sherlock Holmes found after consulting the back files of the Times that Major Sholto died upon the 28th of April 1882. Within a week of his death, Mary Morstan receives a valuable present, that is a pearl. Repeatedly, in a letter with a last pearl, she is described as wronged woman. Sherlock Holmes deduced that it was about Sholto's heir knows something about the mystery about Mary's father's disappearance. Question number 7 is: "You are a wronged woman and shall have justice." Interpret the statement to highlight the conflict in Miss Morstan's mind. Answer is, Mary Morstan receives a precious pearl every year since 1882. In the 6th year with the pearl, there was a letter which reads, "You are a wronged woman and shall have justice." Her father, Major Morstan, who was an officer in an Indian regiment, he reached London but disappeared before meeting his daughter. His friend Sholto and Major Morstan had looted treasure, but Sholto cheated Morstan. Sholto told this to his sons. They wanted to compensate, and so they arranged a meeting with Mary Morstan by writing the letter. Dr. Watson reflects Miss Morstan's state of mind, discussed with some examples. Answer is, the characters of Miss Morstan and Dr. Watson appeared in The Sign of 4. Miss Morstan comes to Sherlock Holmes to solve her mystery. The novel is a detective fiction. Dr. Watson was nervous and depressed as he was accompanying Mary Morstan and Holmes while solving the case. He sensed that Mary Morstan also was suffering from the same feeling. Question number 9 is, Holmes had a competence about the route of their travel. Suggest some points to clarify the statement. Answer is, Sherlock Holmes had a competence about the route of their travel in London. On the journey, he muttered the names of places such as Rochester Row, Vincent Square, Vauxhall Bridge Road, Wordsworth Road, Stockwell Place, Robert Street. Question number 10 is, the mention of new places adds a pace to the story. Justify. The story opens at the place of Sherlock Holmes. It takes us to Lyceum Theatre. The story takes us to family estate of Thaddeus. The mention of places like the Thames and Baker Street adds space to the story. It has also references to Agra, Andaman Islands. Question number 11 is, Mary Morstan found Holmes as right person to handle her case. Give reason. Sherlock Holmes had unraveled Mrs. Cecil Forrester domestic complication. She was impressed with his kindness and skills. She recommended her employee Mary Morstan to hand over her case to Holmes. With his skills, he solved her case. 2. Question number 12 is, write the characteristics of Dr. Watson as a sensitive character. Answer is, Dr. Watson is the narrator of the novel The Sign of 4. He appeared as a friend of Sherlock Holmes. He helps Holmes in his profession of detective. He is a very sensitive person. He is ready to help even the clients of Holmes. He is attracted to Mary Morstan in the first meeting. He marries Morstan at the end of the novel. Question number 13 is, the paper found in the desk of Captain Morstan is the center of the action. Explain. Answer is, Mary Morstan found a curious paper in her father's trunk. She brought the paper for Holmes to observe. Observing the paper, he concluded that the paper was an important document. The paper was of Indian make and appeared as a map. On the paper, the words were written, The Sign of 4. Jonathan Small, Muhammad Singh, Abdullah Khan, Dost Akbar. The story is about the hidden treasure described in the paper. Question number 14 is, I may be very obtuse, Holmes, but I fail to see that this suggests. Justify the statement by highlighting the difference in deducing the case. Sherlock Holmes finds no great mystery in the case of Miss Mary Morstan. He finds some suggestive facts from the Times. It reads that Major Sholto died on the 28th of April 1882. Dr. Watson fails to connect this fact with Mary's case, but Holmes deduced that Mary's father, who disappeared, knew Sholto in London. After Sholto's death, Mary received a pearl and letter. Question number 15 is, find support from the text which elaborates the tone of the narrator when he compares himself with Miss Morstan. So there is no references given in the text which elaborates the tone of the narrator, that is Dr. Watson, and when he compares, Dr. Watson compares himself with Mary Morstan. Question number 16 is, the narrator makes Morstan's journey comfortable while going to an unknown place. Narrate in your words. The narrator of the novel The Sign of 4 is Dr. Watson. The narrator, Miss Marston, and Sherlock Holmes were on journey to unknown place. The narrator endeavored to cheer and amuse Miss Marston by memories of his adventures in Afghanistan. He told her anecdotes. He makes Miss Marston's journey comfortable while going to unknown place. Question number 17 is the coachman is described as a faithful servant. Justify this statement in your own words. Answer is in the novel the coachman is described as faithful servant. He had to carry Miss Marston and her two friends, Mary Marston, Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson, reached at the Lyceum Theatre. A small, dark, brisk man in the dress of coachman was waiting for them. On seeing them, he inquired if they were the parties with Mary Marston. He scanned them with penetrating and questioning eyes. He asked Mary to promise that her companions were not police officers. He carried them only after she promised. Question number 18 is Sherlock Holmes, Dr. Watson and Mary Marston reached at the third pillar of the Lyceum Theatre. Describe the state of mind of the trio. Trio means three characters: Holmes, Dr. Watson and Mary Marston. Answer is while solving the case, Sherlock Holmes, Dr. Watson and Mary Marston reached at the third pillar of the Lyceum Theatre. Theatre as mentioned in the unknown letter received by Mary Marston. Dr. Watson was nervous and depressed. Miss Marston was also suffering from the same feeling. They were engaged on a strange business. Sherlock Holmes remained unaffected from the petty influences. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question related to this particular video lecture, you can ask me in the comment box of this video. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now. And if you have any question related to your 12th class studies, you can also ask me in the comment box of this video. Thank you so much.